In this video, we are going to look at words that are used very, very often in the English language. So we need to learn them and learn how they're used. I'm referring to this, that, these, and those, which are all collectively called demonstratives. This and that are used in the singular. These and those are used in the plural. We use these four words in two different ways, as determiners and as pronouns. The demonstrative determiner and the demonstrative pronoun. Let's take a look at an example. Here is a determiner. This film is new. This precedes a noun. And here's the demonstrative pronoun, which of course takes the place of the noun. This is a new film. Let's practice some more. What's in this box? That's a determiner. That water tastes strange. I might get myself a pair of those shoes. Notice the determiner precedes the nouns. Come and look at this. That's a pronoun. That's a very good idea. Another pronoun, and the final pronoun, can I have one of these? All right, now let's look at the various uses of these demonstratives. First, we can refer to things. This is very common. We use this and that when we refer to singular and uncountable nouns. So let's practice. Try to repeat this exercise every morning. What does this music make you think of? I've never been to that part of England. Can I have some of that water, please? Now we use these and those with plural nouns. You can use any of these computers. We need to paint those doors. We can also refer to people. This is a little bit more advanced, but let's practice it. When we want to identify ourselves or others or ask the identity of other speakers, we use these words. For example, Linda, this is my mother, Anne. That's an introduction. Is that your brother over there? That, of course, replaces your brother. It's a pronoun. Is that your brother over there? We often do this in telephone calls, and it might go something like this. Hello, is that John? This is Jane here. We also use these words in time phrases, and this rule is quite easy to remember. We use this with words describing time and dates, like morning, afternoon, evening, week, month, and year. So let's practice. I'll be with you sometime this evening. John seemed very unhappy this afternoon. Julia is in Poland all this week. Now we can also use these words when we talk about relative distance. This and that, these and those. So let's practice these words in this sense. Shall I use this plate here? Is that what you mean? I'll post these letters on my way home from work. Do these belong to your cousin? So if we want to talk about things that are more distant, we use that and those. What's in that bottle over there? Can you blow out those candles next to you? This has been a brief overview of demonstratives. This, that, these, those. If you need more practice, see the links below this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and tell your friends about this beginner series, which takes place every Monday. See you soon.